Hello students, today we will wind up differentiation, few concepts of differentiation, and afterwards we will start integration. Okay? Now, see, yesterday we have seen how to differentiate if function is given as sum of two functions. Then differentiation will be given as differentiation of first plus differentiation of second. If function is given as difference of two functions, then dy by dx is given as differentiation of first minus differentiation of second. Okay. So if y is equal to u plus v, then differentiation of y is equal to differentiation of u plus differentiation of v. And if y is equal to u minus v, then differentiation of y is equal to differentiation of u minus differentiation of v. Okay. Now we'll see product rule. Product rule. What is product rule? Suppose a function is given as product of two functions. If y is equal to u into v, then how to differentiate? Okay. So rule will be differentiation of y म्हणजे याचा differentiation. It will be differentiation of first. बघा हा first आहे. This is first function. Okay. This one is first and this one is second. Okay. Differentiation of first, second as it is plus differentiation of second and first as it is. Differentiation of first into second function plus differentiation of second into first function. आता हे रिवर्स दिले तरी पण चालतं because a plus b can be written as b plus a. 3 plus 4 पण 7 होतं आणि is equal to 4 plus 3 पण 7 होतं. Addition मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम होत नाही if we interchange the terms. In addition, there is no such problem if we interchange the term because all signs are positive, hence 3 plus 4 will be equal to 4 plus 3. Okay, a plus b is equal to b plus a. But in subtraction, it will not happen like this because see, a plus b is not equal to a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Why? See, what is 3 minus 4? 3 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 3 जर आपण असं म्हटलं 3 minus 4 is minus 1 and 4 minus 3 is 1 and minus 1 and 1 are not equal. Minus 1 and 1 are not equal. That's why 3 minus 4 is not equal to 4 minus 3. Hence a minus b is not equal to b minus a. But a plus b is equal to b plus a. 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus a. So here addition is there. That's why you can write this term on here and this term there. Okay. So काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही तुम्ही इकडचे तिकडे केलं तर पण काय इथं differentiation of first into second term plus differentiation of second into first term. उलटं पण लिहू शकता. ठीक आहे. पण असं का लिहायचं हे मी तुम्हाला सांगतो. पहिल्यांदा differentiation first करा. Remember this thing. Because in quotient rule, this is the product rule. In quotient rule, here it will be negative sign. And for negative sign, you have to you can't interchange the sequence. Suppose a minus b असेल तर a minus b असायला पाहिजे. ते b minus a नाही लिहू शकत. So for simplicity, suppose जर आपण इथं फर्स्ट टर्मचं डिफरन्शिएशन जर बघितलं असं म्हटलं की फर्स्ट टर्मचंच पहिल्यांदा करायचं तर तिथं पण काय असणार फर्स्ट टर्मचं पहिल्यांदा असणार आहे. सो कन्फ्युजन काढण्यासाठी आपण असं म्हणू शकतो की इथं differentiation of first term into second term plus differentiation of second term into first term as it is. Differentiation of first second term as it is plus differentiation of second term into first term as it is. Okay, this is the product rule. Let's see example. Suppose y is equal to x square into sin x. Now see, x square is first term, sin x is the second term, and here it is the product of two terms. It is not the addition. If addition and subtraction is given, suppose y is equal to x square plus or minus sin x is given. The plus असेल तर answer मध्ये plus होणार. If here it is minus sign, then in answer it will be minus. So what will be dy by dx? Differentiation of this x square is 2x plus असेल तर plus minus असेल तर minus. Sin x चा differentiation cos x. Differentiate separately. But here it was plus or minus sign. But here there is a product. Multiplication of x square and sin x. Product. So which is the first function? X square. So what is the rule? dy by dx is differentiation of first into second function plus differentiation of second into first function. So what is du by dx? Differentiate this. So dy by dx will be equal to differentiation of first. So x square is a differentiation 2x. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So हा 2 खाली येणार आणि power 1 होणार 2x into second term as it is. What is second term? This is u and this is v. So v as it is. This sin x. Next time dv by dx. That means differentiation of second. Differentiation of second is differentiation of sin x is cos x. And first term as it is. What is first term? X square. That is u. X square. ठीक है? Don't multiply this x square into this theta. X square and high x multiply होणार नाही. कारण the high x, this x is the theta of cos. This x is the angle of this cos. This x square will be coefficient. High plane. So answer will be 2x sin x plus x square cos x. X square cos x. Okay. So if x square sin x is given, x square will be the first function, that is u. Sin x is the second function, that is v. According to rule, differentiation of first into second plus differentiation of second into first. Differentiation of first, differentiation of x square is 2x. Power rule. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. That time v as it is. That means second function as it is. Next time differentiation of second into first function. So differentiation of sin x is cos x, and that time x square as it is. Okay, rearranging this. So this is example. One more example we will take. Suppose y is equal to x into log x. Y is equal to x into log x. Now x is first function, so x is u and log x is v. X is u and log x is v. So what is the rule? Y is equal to dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to du by dx. That is differentiation of first into second function plus differentiation of second into first function. Okay. What is the differentiation of first? What is the differentiation of x? X means 1x. X means 1x. See, x चा differentiation क्या असणार? X means x to the power 1. When this power comes to numerator, 1 comes to numerator and the power becomes 0. Because take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. And when anything to the power 0, any number to the power 0 is 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 it will be 1. So here आपण बघितलंय 5x चा differentiation 5, 4x 4, 7x 7, ax a. So 1x 1. Okay, that is differentiation of linear is constant. So differentiation of this x will be 1. Okay. Now v as it is. What is v? Second function, that is log x. This as it is. Next, differentiation of second. Differentiation of v. V is log x. What is the differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of log x. I have told you. Differentiation of logarithmic function log x will be 1 by x. Okay, and u as it is. What is u? First function, x as it is. Okay, here x and x will cancel each other and 1 will appear. So it will be 1 plus this log x, 1 plus log x. This is dy by dx, 1 plus log x. Okay, काय केलं कळलं? x is the first function, log x is the second function. Differentiation of x is 1. कसं केलं? X means x to the power 1. When 1, take the power in the numerator 1, then reduce the power by 1. The new power will be 0, because 1 minus 1 will be 0. Any number to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. So this is the differentiation of x. Differentiation of x is 1. So this is the differentiation of first. That time second function as it is. Second function log x as it is. Plus differentiation of second. So what is the differentiation of log x? We have studied in first lecture. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. This time first function as it is. What is first function? X as it is. Okay, this x and this x will cancel each other. Here 1 will appear, 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. So this is one more example. Next, लिहून घ्या सगळं. पॉज करा, रिवाइंड करा व्हिडिओ. I will not tell you always. You have to stop the video, pause the video, rewind it, and write everything whatever I have written on the board. Next example, y is equal to, suppose, e to the power x into log x. Now e to the power x is the first function, log x is the second function. Okay, what is the differentiation of e to the power x? What is differentiation of exponential function? Special case, e to the power x. It is e to the power x log e, e to the power x log e, but इथं log e आहे, base पण e आहे, हे वन होतं. So आपण बघितलं होतं, differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x itself. So here again, what will be dy by dx? Differentiation of first into second function plus differentiation of second plus into first function. So what is differentiation of first? What is the differentiation of e to the power x? This is first function. This is u and this is v. Okay, e to the power x is u and log x is v. What is the differentiation of e to the power x? Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x itself. Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. It will remain as it is. Next time v means second function as it is. What is second function? Log x plus differentiation of second function dv by dx. Differentiation of v. What is v? Log x. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. 1 by x. This is the differentiation of second into u. U means first function e to the power x. So इथून e to the power x common है. You can take e to the power x common. Inside the bracket it will be log x plus 1 by x. Okay. So this is the product rule. Okay. I will write here. I will summarize what is product rule. If y is equal to u into v, then dy by dx is equal to differentiation of first into second function minus plus differentiation of second into first function. Why I have written differentiation of first function initially? That I will tell you. कि इथं प्लस का आहे, इथं प्लस असून मी हे इकडे पण लिहू शकतो, हे इकडे पण लिहू शकतो, because a plus b will be equal to b plus a. So we can write this first term here also and this term in this side also. But still, why have differentiated first term initially and second term kept constant plus differentiation of second term into first term is kept constant. Why I have differentiated first term initially? I will tell you. इथं ही टर्म इकडे पण लिहू शकत होतो, a plus b is equal to b plus a. पण हे का हे सांगतो? That I will explain in quotient rule. So this is about product rule. Next is quotient rule. So what is quotient rule? Suppose हा division rule पण म्हणू शकता. Suppose a function is given as y is equal to u divided by v, or you can say u divided by v. ठीक है? u by v or u divided by v, both are same thing. Now असं दिला असेल, then the differentiation of y or differentiation of this whole term will be differentiation of first into second term minus differentiation of second term into first term upon second term square, v square, second term square. आता कळलं का मी डिफरन्शिएशन फर्स्ट चा अधिकार केला? तुम्हाला लक्षात आलेला हां टू रिमेंबर इझिली, कारण का इथं मात्र यू कांट राइट this term here and this term this side. Why? Because a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Like say 7 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 7. Why? 7 minus 3 is 4 and 3 minus 7 is minus 4, and 4 and minus 4 are not equal. So here the sequence should be same. That is this term minus this term only. You can't interchange the terms. असं नाही करू शकत this minus this. ठीक आहे ना? हीच मायनस हे करायला मग इथं चालतं ना, इथं इंटरचेंज करू शकता. आता इथं प्लस साइन आहे, a plus b is equal to b plus a, because 7 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 7. 7 plus 3 is 10 and 3 plus 7 is also 10. Okay? कळलं ना मी काय म्हणतो? 3 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 3. Why? हे पण 10 येणार आहे आणि हे पण 10 येणार आहे. इथं पॉसिबल आहे इंटरचेंज करणं, पण इथं पॉसिबल नाही. ओके? बट टर्म्स तर सेम आहे. इथं जी फर्स्ट टर्म आहे तीच इथं आहे, इथं जी सेकंड टर्म आहे तीच इथं आहे. सो तुमचं कन्फ्युजन होऊ नये, तुम्हाला इझिली रिमेंबर व्हावं की फर्स्ट टर्म कोणती आणि सेकंड टर्म कोणती. मग इथं तुम्हाला काय कंपल्सरी आहे की हीच टर्म फर्स्ट लिहायची आणि हीच टर्म सेकंड लिहायची. इथं कंपल्सरी नाहीये. मग इझिली रिमेंबर व्हावं कोणती फर्स्ट आहे, त्यामुळे दोन्हीकडे मी फर्स्ट टर्म एक फिक्स केली. इथं पण हीच यूज करायची असं फिक्स केलं. Even though we can interchange, even though we can write the whole term here and this whole term in this side, but still I have written this as a first term to easily remember the formula. So काय लक्षात ठेवा तुम्ही, in both the cases differentiate first term initially. Differentiation of first, differentiation of u. Differentiate first term initially, and that time keep the second term constant as it is. Keep the second term as it is. That is v. Put a plus or minus. If there is a multiplication, then write plus. If there is a division, write minus. आता कळलं का? इझी आहे लक्षात ठेवायला. Differentiate first term initially, du by dx, du by dx. That time keep the second term as it is. That is v. Here it is v. If function is a product of two functions, write positive sign. If function is a division of two functions, then write negative sign. Okay? आता संपलं. Here we have differentiated first term, second term as it is. Then afterwards, after the positive or negative sign, differentiate the second term now. Now differentiate the second term and first term as it is. कळलं का? सो दोन्ही फॉर्म्युला मध्ये फरक काय आहे? डिफरन्स इज दॅट हियर इट इज प्लस साइन, हियर इट विल बी मायनस साइन. ओके? हियर इट विल बी प्लस साइन and here it is minus sign. Another difference in the denominator. इथं denominator ला कोणी आहे का? In the denominator nothing is there, but here in the denominator it will be a second term square. Here it will be second term square, that is v square. So numerator is same. Numerator is same except the sign. Positive sign for the product, negative sign for the division. but here you can interchange the terms, but here you can't interchange the terms. That's why I have take the common scenario, that is, first initially differentiate the first term, then second term as it is, plus or minus, plus for product, minus for division, differentiation of second term into first term as it is upon second term's square or square of the second term, and this is quotient rule. This is quotient rule. We'll see an example. Suppose y is equal to x cube upon sin x. So what is first term? This is u and this is v. X cube is vu and sin x is v. Now differentiate dy by dx. What is the formula? Du by dx, differentiation of first, initially differentiate the first into second function as it is, then differentiation of second into first function as it is upon square of the second function, upon square of the second function. Now tell me, what is the differentiation of first? What is the differentiation of x cube? It will be 3x square, our rule. Differentiation of x cube. Okay. Differentiation of x cube, take the 3 in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. It will be 3x square. This is the differentiation of u or differentiation of first function into v. V means second function, that is sin x as it is, minus differentiation of second. What is second? Second is sin x. What is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x multiplied by, this is differentiation of second, multiplied by u. U means first function. What is first function? X cube upon square of second function. Square of second function means sin x square. So that will be sin square x. Sin square x. Okay, काय करें? Differentiation of first. So x cube से differentiation 3x square into second function. So second function is sin x, because u upon v, second function will be in the denominator. So second function as it is, minus differentiation of second function dv by dx. V is a differentiation. What is v? Second function, that is sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. This time first function as it is. What is first function? X cube upon v square, that is second function, square of the second function. What is second function? V, that is sin x. So it will be sin square x. Square of the second function. Okay. So this is one of the example. I will take another example. Suppose y is equal to x square upon log x. What is first function? This is u, this one is v. So x square is first function, log x is second function. X square is first function and log x is second function. So how to differentiate? See, dy by dx will be equal to dy by dx. What is formula? Differentiation of first into second function minus differentiation of second into first function upon v square. Once again I am telling, in both the formulas, always remember differentiation of first term is initially and then second term as it is, and differentiation of second term is afterwards. इथं तुम्ही उलट लिहू शकता, but थोडीशी सिमिलरिटी ठेवा, त्यामुळे फॉर्म्युले लगेच लक्षात राहतील. सो फॉर्म्युले सिमिलर आहेत, फक्त काय इथं प्लस इथं मायनस, इथं v स्क्वेअर आहे, इथं v स्क्वेअर नाही आहे. Differentiation of first second function as it is minus differentiation of second first function as it is upon second square. So what is the differentiation of first function? What is the differentiation of x square? 2x by the power rule. Take this 2 in the numerator and reduce the 2 by 1. Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So I have taken the power 2 in the numerator and reduced that 2 by 1. So 2 जर 1 कमी झाला तर 1 होत ना. That will be 2x multiplied by v. What is v? Log x. V is log x, second function. Minus log x as it is. See dv by dx. Differentiation of log x. Differentiation of second function. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 upon x. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. We have studied that. Differentiation of log x. dv by dx. What is v? Log x. And differentiation of log algebraic function is 1 by x. Then first function as it is. What is first function? U. That is x square upon v square. V square means second function the square. That means log x the square. Second function the square. Log x the square. Now here see x square is there and x is there. Out of this x, one x will cancel. Only x will remaining here. So answer will be 2x log x minus x upon log x the square. So this will be differentiation. Okay. Now till here we have completed algebra of differentiation. That is how to differentiate when the function is addition of two functions. That is differentiation of first plus differentiation of second. If it is subtraction of two functions, then the differentiation will be differentiation of first minus differentiation of second. If it is the product, then differentiate first, second as it is plus differentiation of second, first as it is. And when it is the division of two functions, then differentiation of first into second as it is minus differentiation of second into first as it is upon second the square. Okay. Now we will see how to differentiate variable to the power variable. For example, see students, suppose x to the power 5 is given. What is the differentiation of x to the power 5? You can easily tell, that is, it will be 5 x to the power 4. 5 x to the power 4. कसं केलं? Take the power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. So power is 5. Take this power in the numerator and reduce the power by 1. That means it will be 4 because power was 5 and when this power is reduced, it will become 4. When it is reduced by 1, it will become 4. So this is the differentiation of x to the power 5. Suppose if it is asked what is the differentiation of 5 to the power x, then you can easily tell. So differentiation, it is exponential function. Why it is exponential function? Because 5 is constant and x is variable. So constant to the power variable is an exponential function. So differentiation of exponential function is exponential function as it is into log of that constant, that is log 5. What is the differentiation of a to the power x? A to the power x